Alright, so we got the drive angle tool and we got a basic structure. Let's talk about transitions and then see if we can put together a basic plan. When we use the word transition, we usually mean in the instant, but we can also look at it from drive angle to drive angle. The transition is split into two parts, from drive angle to center and from center to drive angle. The rotation from center to drive angle you can do at different rates, and this will create different shapes coming into the corner. Another important aspect is that when you're on lower angle, you can use more brakes or more acceleration. Okay, so we're finding the first constant radius in the first corner. That will be your drive angle. And then we're gonna look for a second corner constant radius, which is gonna be where you go to drive angle again. And as we can see, the size of the radiuses are about the same size, which means that they're at about the same speed. So we don't actually want to gain that much speed in between these two corners, which means that we're going to stay on drive angle for a longer time and try to transition quite fast. In between these two corners you have a transition point, which is where the car is in the center of the transition. So the car is straight in the direction of travel. The transition point is very important, and let me show you why. Let's say that we do exactly the same thing every lap. What happens when we move this transition point? As you can see, you want to try and shift this point as you're driving to see if you get different results. So tell me this, how much do you have to spend on a car to practice the stuff we've been talking about so far? Do you even have to use a car? Let me know in the comments.